really struggles with keeping their hands to themselves, this is awesome. So this is a marble maze. All three of these things are by Lucky Kid, I should say. This is a marble maze. So they sewed a maze in here, and let me see if I can find the marble. Oh, it's right here in the piece. Okay, so you're gonna push it along, squeeze it out, and go along the maze. And I can attest to this being really fun and kind of addicting in a good way. It keeps your hands busy. It keeps you wanting to do stuff. Each side has kind of a different texture to it, so those tactile seekers are really gonna enjoy it. It's also, believe it or not, proprioceptive input as you squeeze that ball along, because it's kind of tight. It's doable, but it's tight. So you have to push with your hands while you get proprioceptive input, and it's like infinity, so you can keep doing it forever and ever and ever. And it keeps those hands busy. This is a good one for a car ride too, if your kids are close enough that they can touch each other, and they're constantly touching each other, right? Does it keep you busy?